So you want to sing louder? Great. But are you going to do it the healthy way with breath support, or are you going to put all of the work on your tiny and delicate vocal muscles, which can then lead to problems? Your choice. 3 exercises and a bonus coming right up. Now, these 3 exercises work together, so you have to do all of them or else you won't get it. Exercise 1, we're going to start with non-singing exercises to feel what happens in the body when we get louder with breath support. I want you to stand up and place your hands around the midsection and hiss and get louder like this. What do you feel as you get louder? Firmer breath support, more engagement in the body as you got louder. How about the yummy hum, like you just ate something delicious, and get louder like this? Let's do it. What do you feel? Firmer breath support as you got louder. Are you getting it? Some of you make breath support so complicated, and this doesn't take rocket science. Now, let's apply to speech before we sing. So I'm going to start with the yummy hum, and I'm going to get louder into a yeah, like this. Yeah. Or I could do it higher. Yeah. Let's give it a try. Hands around the midsection. Yeah. Now, let's do it quietly. Yeah. You feel the difference? Louder, firmer breath support. Quieter, lighter breath support. How about on O? Oh. Oh. See how easy this is when you let the big muscles help you? Now we're going to start quietly and get louder, also known as a crescendo. And you do it in whatever pitch you want, like this. Oh. Oh. Here we go. Oh. Oh. Easy. No more straining or getting tight or losing your voice. You're watching Victoria's Victorious Vocal Tips. 35 years of teaching voice and 47 years of studying voice. I take the guesswork out of your singing. So in exercise 1, we started with the yummy hum quietly and got louder. In exercise 2, your next challenge is, can you start loud? We're going to go from a robust hum right into either a yeah or a yah. And I want this fairly loud, like on a scale of 1 to 10, I want this at about a good 7.5. This is middle C. Yeah. This is C5 for the higher voices. Yeah. Or yeah. Are you ready? C4 for middle voices, C3 for low voices, C5 for high voices. Yeah. Breathe. Breathe. Do you see how starting on the hum takes away the temptation to push or squeeze? Now, what if you're getting tight? Tip number 1, take your focus out of getting louder and put your focus more on your breath support and on a more intense vowel. Tip number 2, 3 fingers on the back of the neck and turn the head gently side to side, because a lot of times when people get tight, it's in the neck. So you can do this. Yeah. Or yeah. Feels great. Let's do it. D3, D4, or D5. Hum, sing. Breathe. One more. Breathe. Yeah. Now today we're only focusing on getting louder with breath support, but resonance plays a huge factor, and we don't have time to get into everything today. You know, I used to have a very light, weak voice, and I wanted to be louder. I actually wanted to have a big voice because I wanted to compete. So what did I do? I beefed up my voice the wrong way. So yes, I did get louder and it sounded big, but you know what happened? In 6 months, I developed some really bad habits like a tight tongue, tight jaw, and then pretty soon they were flapping like a fish. Not good for singing. It took me a year to correct that, and I want to save you the agony. You know, some singers never recover from bad habits. The way you train good singing habits is by doing the right vocal exercises, or else how is it ever going to become built in as good muscle memory? Now, if you still haven't gotten my audio exercise training program, Victoria's vocal exercise program, I don't know what you're waiting for. The program is huge. I give you a short and a long workout and literally hundreds of options for whatever your particular vocal needs may be. We have a section on breath support, another section on how to sing with more power, how to get more chord closure. We cover vocal colors, textures, different styles. The best part is the program is super affordable and I do regular group classes with members and I can help you. So see the link below and sign up right away. Okay, the Yummy Hum exercises were your training wheels, but now I'm going to take it away from you. Your next challenge will be to sing at a moderately loud volume, and I want to make sure that you're using your good breath support and not going into the squeeze or push. So we're going to glide over the interval of a fifth on Byam, like this. Byam. If you know me well, you know I made up that exercise. I like it. The B gives you the boost. The Y helps to give you enough opening in the back of the throat. The Ah helps to keep your throat open. And the M gives you enough ping so you can get that cut. Now watch. Byam. Not byam. Collapsing while you get louder is gonna cause problems. Higher voices can be byam. Here we go. G2, G3, or G4. Sing. Breathe. Breathe. Good breath support. Stay anchored. 2 more. Last one. Now when you do these exercises, no fading out, right? This is your strength building. So you want to keep everything at a moderately loud volume. And remember, this only works if you did the first 2 exercises and set it up properly. Now I have one more challenge for you, and this is going to test your control. This will help make you a better singer. For our bonus exercise, we're going to sustain 1 note on Byam, starting quietly and crescendoing, getting louder. Byam, or Byam. Let's do 5 of these, starting at B flat 2, B flat 3, or B flat 4. Byam, quietly getting louder. Sing. Breathe. Breathe. Right? Remember, we start quietly and we get louder by increasing our breath support. So light breath support, and as we get louder, firmer breath support. Sing. Breathe. Breathe. Power. So do you see how breath support gives you many more options as a singer rather than just being a one-trick pony? Do you see how you can sing louder without getting tired or squeezing? Master your breath support in my playlist on the basics, and I have a lot more for you in my playlist on how to sing with more power. Thanks for being here, and I'll see you in the next video.